Hello painting peeps and welcome. It's Kathleen from Coz Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone number 3 here in Fort Myers. You're way up there, I'm way down here. I'm excited. I got a new phone today. I got the new iPhone something. Rick takes care of all that stuff, but it's supposed to have a really great camera, and I've noticed that a few of my videos looked a little almost foggy, so I'm hoping that this is better, because I have been playing with my lights for days and days trying to figure it out, and then I had a FaceTime call with my grandbaby and it looked a little fuzzy, so my contract was up, so I went ahead and got a new phone. So fingers crossed, although I'm looking at myself and I look extremely brown. I'm not that brown, but we will see. I'm working on a big lady today, one of my favorite canvases, the Edge. This is a 10 by 40 gallery wrap canvas. I love these canvases. Jerry's Artorama, when you buy them on sale or in bulk in groups of 3, it really lowers the price, but they go on sale quite often. I'm doing a traveling straight pour. I've been calling it a ring pour, but my dear friend Lee said, Kathleen, it's not a ring pour, you're doing a straight pour. Actually, what I'm doing is a straight pour with a jiggle. So from here on out, I'm calling this a straight pour with a jiggle because that's what I do. I jiggle. I don't ring, I jiggle. Got some good colors. I used them about a month or 2 back in a straight pour with a jiggle, and it was really, really pretty. Base coat, or our flow extender. This is slap bucket paint, and oh my gosh, slap bucket paints make my heart happy. These are a bunch of blues. It's probably got some golden turquoise. It's got some TLP Lakeside in it. I think some Decoart peacock pearl. Just a bunch of leftovers and drippings and scrapings that I strain and then I doctor up. But this is thinner than my pour colors. I like it thinner. I like it thinner because if I'm going to go thick, I want to go thick with my pour colors. So just a slick kind of surface so that my paints don't roll over each other as I'm tilting. Other yummy stuff. Oop, almost spilled it right there. Decoart metallics in the 24 karat gold. I go easy on this because she is a bossy lady. And I'm going to pour them in my cup in the order that I introduce them to you. I actually always do that, and in the order of which I put them in the description box for you. Right here, beautiful color, very underused. I love it. Golden Fluids in the burnt sienna. My keyword paint right there, Golden Fluids in the nickel azo gold. I'm so glad that I stocked up on this stuff before it went bye-bye. Although TriArt from Fluid Art Code, the TriArt line of paint, has a couple of paints that are very, very comparable. One is the golden yellow, I believe, and the other one is the crimson orange. They're both absolutely stunning and very close to the nickel azo gold. Right here, beautiful, beautiful shade of turquoise. That is Golden Fluids in the turquoise. And our final paint is Satin Enamel. Satin Enamel in the neutral beige, not the pure white. Sometimes when I'm using really warm, earthy colors, I don't want a stark white in the mix, so I use the Satin Enamel. Kind of does the same effects. Let's take a look at our consistency. Guys, I keep going thicker and thicker on my paints, which is the exact opposite of everything that I did last year with my swipes. I find that I get really good control with the thicker paints, and they move so slowly so I can eyeball them. I can eyeball the composition. This is thick as pancake batter. This is a fold on a fold on a fold. So hopefully, fingers crossed, I didn't overdo it with the thickness. Pouring medium today. Healthy squirt of the fluid paints in the cup, or healthy ounce of the non-fluid paints like the Satin Enamel and the 24 karat gold. Put a squirt of GAC 800 in there, stir it up. Put a squirt or two of my pouring medium, 50% Floetrol, 50% Liquitex pouring medium, stir it up. Check the consistency. The fluid paints were too fluid for me, so I added Owatrol as a thickening agent. I get it from Amazon, and it is thick as molasses. It doesn't alter my colors. It's just a good thickening agent. A lot of people use the gel gloss to thicken up their paints. The Owatrol is easier. You could just put it in there and stir until everything mixed up. With the gel gloss, it beads up. A lot of times you have to go slow with it, so the Owatrol works great for me. What else? I think I've shared everything with you. I'm going to go ahead and do a couple of traveling straight pours with the Jiggle, and I'm going to try to leave a good amount of negative space. The orientation of this painting most likely is going to be vertical, but unfortunately it won't fit on my, well, it won't fit in the camera angle, so I have to go horizontal. I think that's it, guys. Fluid Art Experience, FAE, guys, Asheville. If you have never been to Asheville, it's a perfect reason to come on down, meet some of your artist friends, meet some of your artist people. It's a wonderful, wonderful gathering with just high energy knowledge to be shared and teachers to show you all the tricks of their trade. And just, the Blue Ridge Mountains, the Biltmore Mansion, whitewater rafting, bears walking down the street. It's absolutely phenomenal, and I can't wait to greet you with open arms in my beautiful mountains of Asheville. Come on down to FAE in May next year, guys. There'll be a link in the description box for you to go over and get all the information you might need, or you can certainly reach out to me. Let's put some music on, guys. I want to paint. Let's get busy.
Just a dream, just all in my head. Floating rivers upstream, the things that you said. Tell me and be honest. Tell me, did you know that you would be leaving me just like the winners know? Tell me and be honest. Tell me, should I've known quiet and slow? I try my best to move on, to let go. They say time is a healer, just you wait and see. The problem is for me, I need an eternity. So tell me and be honest. Tell me, did you know that you would be leaving me just like the winners know? Tell me and be honest. say dream just all in my head. Floating rivers upstream, the things that you said. Tell me and be honest. Tell me, did you know that you would be leaving me just like the winter's snow? Tell me and be honest. Tell me, should I've known that you'd be leaving me so painfully quiet and slow? I try my best to move on, to let go. They say time is a healer, just you wait and see. The problem is for me, I need an eternity. So tell me and be honest. Tell me, did you know that you would be leaving me just like the winter snow? Tell me and be honest. Tell me, should I know that you'd be leaving me so painfully quiet and slow? I try my best to move on, letting go. Letting go. Tell me, should I know? Just tell me and be honest. Tell me, did you know that you would be leaving me just like the wind?